So earlier we have discussed about how to find the complementary function as well as to finding the particular integral for the exponential term and the trigonometric case. Now we move on to the next two categories. The third one is algebraic form. The final one is exponential multiple with either the algebraic or the trigonometric. So let us move on to the third type. The function is in the form of x power n. The particular integral has to be written as 1 by phi of d into x power n. So in this particular case, we no need to make any other replacement in the denominator. Instead of that, I just want to make it this 1 by phi of d is in the form of phi of d whole power minus 1. After that, I am going to expand this phi of d whole power minus 1 by using binomial theorem formulas. I listed here some of the binomial theorem formulas. These are all the very basic things. We are going to use these formulas in this particular type. So let us have the third type problems. F of x function is in the form of x power n, or it may be also an expression form a0 into x power n plus a1 into x power n minus 1 plus etc. plus an. We may have more than one terms also. The first problem is solve the equation d cube minus d square minus 6d into y is equal to x square plus 1. So this is purely comes under the third type. So first I am writing the auxiliary equation for finding the complementary function. So for that I just want to replace an f of d in the given problem d into m. So after replacing I will get the auxiliary equation is m cube minus m square minus 6m equal to 0. Throughout m is common. After taking m out, I will get the remaining terms or m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. I can able to factorize this m square minus m minus 6 easily. So without using formula. So the factorization form of the above equation is m minus 3 into m plus 2 equal to 0, because here multiplicative value is minus 6, addition value is minus 1. I am going to equate each and every factor individually equal to 0. I will get the roots, or m is equal to 0, minus 2, 3. Here all the three roots are real as well as distinct. Everything is different. So therefore, the complementary function is in the form of a into e power 0x plus b into e power minus 2x plus c into e power 3x. So let us move on to the particular integral. So which is equal to 1 by f of d, function of d into the right hand side function. So in this particular type, I need to make it the constant place into 1. Otherwise, move on to the d term. Here, I am going to take it minus d, minus 6d into out. After taking this minus 6d into outside, I will get in this place 1 minus of the remaining terms by minus 6d into x square plus 1. Why I am doing this is, I want to make this is in the form of binomial expression formula. So next, I am going to move the denominator term into the numerator. The whole term become minus 1. So I'm just cancel out the numerator and denominator d once. The remaining terms are inside this particular one is d square minus d by 6. This is in the form of 1 minus x power minus 1. In place of x in the previous expression is d square minus d by 6. So therefore, I am going to develop this 1 minus of d square minus d by 6 whole power minus 1 by using this binomial formula 1 plus x square plus etc. Here x is equal to what? D square minus d by 6. So let us have the expression as like 1 plus d square minus 6d by 6 plus d square minus 6 by d square minus d by 6 the whole square plus x etc. I am trimming the formula up to the second step itself, because the derivative after d square become 0. The derivative of third derivative value of x square plus 1 becomes 0. That's why I am trimming the formula up to the second step itself. So look at the next step. I am just opening this d square minus d by 6 the whole square by using the formula a minus b the whole square. So after expanding this, I will get the terms or d power 4 in the numerator alone, d power 4 minus 2d cube plus d square whole thing by 36. Here d power 4 and d cube and all 0. d power 4 and d cube value of this x square plus 1 become 0. So that's why here I'm considering in this particular step, I'm considering alone d square by 36. And here overall in this particular one, we want to take it only 1 plus d square by 6 minus d by 6. In this particular 1 plus d square by 36. Look at the next step. Yeah, this is the simplification of the previous one. So here d of x square plus 1 value is 2x, d is d by dx. d by dx of x square plus 1 become 2x and d square of x square plus 1 become 2. So therefore, I am omitting the d cube, d4, etc. the remaining terms. Next, let us move on to the multiplication of these two terms. 1 into x square plus 1 become x square plus 1. d square of x square plus 1 value is 2. So therefore, 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So d of x square plus 1 value is 2x. So 2x by 6 here. d square of x square plus 1 is 2. So therefore, 2 by 36 become 1 by 18. After simplifying this whole thing, the next step become x square minus here 2 by 6 become 1 by 3. So therefore, minus x by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 18 simplification values 25 by 18. So at finally, we need to eliminate this 1 by d also. At final answer, we may have only the constant and x alone. We need to eliminate all the d here. So therefore, 1 by d is, we know very well, d is d by dx. 1 by d means integration. We need to integrate the whole thing with respect to x. So therefore, 1 by d of x square. X square integration is x cube by 3. X integration is x square by 2. 2 into 3 value is 6. Plus constant into integration. Integration of any constant into dx is x. So therefore, this constant into x. This is our final p dot I here. So let us move on to the complete solution, which is the combination of complementary function plus particular integral. I'm just adding together complementary function plus particular integral. I'm getting the complete solution is y is equal to this particular one. This is the final answer of this particular problem. So let us move on to the next problem. Solve the equation d square plus 4 into y is equal to x power 4. This is also comes under the third type category. We are having the algebraic form in the right hand side. So we have the auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equal to 0. Whatever we are having in the RHS, we must take 0 in the auxiliary equation. So after solving this particular one, I will get the roots are plus or minus 2. It purely comes under the imaginary root. So therefore, the complementary function is imaginary root complementary function is e power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Here alpha value is 0. There is no alpha, real part value. So let us want to take alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 2. After replacing it, I will get complementary function is e power alpha x value 0. So therefore, e power 0 value 1. So a into cos beta x plus b into sin beta x. Here beta is 2. The next p dot I. P dot I is equal to 1 by d square plus 4 into x power 4. Let us want to take that constant into out. So after taking constant outside, I will get the terms are 1 plus d square by 4 into x power 4. Next, I want to move the denominator into numerator. Then only I will get the form in the binomial expression. So 1 plus d square by 4 whole power minus 1 into x power 4. So this looks like the form 1 plus x power minus 1. This particular one, the formula is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus etc. So in place of x, I am having d square by 4. After using the formula 1 minus x plus x squared, the remaining things are omitted here because d power 4 of x power 4 is, we will get constant in the d power 4 it seems. So let me have d power 5 of x power 4, that becomes 0. So therefore, I'm just trim formula up to this second step itself. So next I'm moving this x power 4 inside. So 1 into x power 4 is x power 4 minus d square of x power 4 is, I listed here derivative values. D square of x power 4 is 12x square. and d power 4 of x power 4 is 24. So I'm substituting in the previous step. I will get the values are like that. After simplifying these things, I will get 1 by 4 into x power 4, 12 by 4 is 3, 24 by 16 is 3 by 2. This is our final p dot I. Let us have the complete solution here. So which is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So this is our final answer.